Namaste, very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Chairman, sir, for giving me this opportunity. So I think my presentation will come. I'll give a brief introduction about me and my company. So I am the CEO for Mahindra Defence Systems, three division, Neval Systems, Homeland, and Cyber. I would be covering, most of the topic is already covered. As an industry, I will manage this talk within the time, sir, 4 to 5 minutes only, not take more than that. And what I'll talk about is the application of AI in defense. What are the advantages? What are the risks and challenges which we see? And what as a company we are doing it. I'm sharing this presentation and my talk only in the interest of this community. It's not official. It's my personal views. So please don't take it as an official record of my company. Next slide, please. So most of you are already aware what, when we talk about AI, two countries comes very clearly. One is US is leading it and China is leading it. So we need to see the benchmark, these two countries, what defense forces are doing in that area and how we can make use of the best technology, approach, processes, solutions which they are trying to fix it. 30% of militaries all across the world already started using the AI in some shape and form. And yes, we have the leaders from the military. They've already spoken about the journey which they are following it. And it's going to go up. So the AI will play a role. It'll be human plus AI. It'll not be totally AI. And mostly it'll be in autonomous systems where AI will play the largest role. 30 countries use the AI driven drones, autonomous systems already in the various conflict, and I'll talk about it. Next slide, please. So you can see on this map, the US started their first project in 2017, where 20 plus India. Yeah, thank you. No, I'm good. Thank you. So in 2017, 20 plus different private companies came together in US and started this platform. It's a fusion data platform where the data, video data, and various geo-satellite images can be fused together so the military commanders can take right decisions. In today's conflict, it is very important. What is more important is how the speed of your decisions, how you can have a common operating pictures and your commanders can take quick decisions that will define between who wins and who loses in the battle, this thing. Israel has currently also used it, and we have seen a lot of examples there. Ukraine has become it became a lab actually for a lot of, AI innovation to be tested by various countries in that space. China doing a lot of innovations in autonomous systems. A lot of details are not in open domain, so we can't have it. Next slide, please. So what we see as there are 9 different applications where, this AI can be used, and there will be many. As we go ahead, as the time progresses, you'll have many and many more applications. It could be from the health data also of your, your troops on the ground or your retirees also. That could also be an application. Where we see main application of AI will be in autonomous systems, which you see that number 6. The cybersecurity will be another thing area. And the fusion systems, where all data can come together and the commanders can take a decision. Next slide. The advantages, it's already being spoken about. What will happen using AI is AI plus human. Your efficiency will go at least 2 or 3 times. You will have different, so how it happens is if a pilot, and we have a fighter pilot here in the panel is, sir, how many dimensions you can process at the same time? If the input is coming from 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, how many dimensions you can take? Probably 3, 4, inputs you can. And in fraction of second, you can consolidate and take an action. The AI can take 1,000 different dimensions and give you a decisions in fractions of second. So AI with a fighter pilot will give you a different approach. And then you can define which maneuvers to take to safeguard yourself from a missile attack which is happening. So that's the real kind of applications in the scenarios where human pilots plus AI will help the future warfare. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Yeah. So what we see, the risk and challenges, and most of this has been already been covered. There'll be ethical challenges always, that how AI is being used, how it is being applied, will it take the right decisions, And it is common with humans also. You take AI as a human also. There are challenges with human also. If you're sitting in uniform, there are challenges with you also, sir. There could be many ethical issues can be there. There could be challenge of reliability and trust also. Similarly, they'll be there with AI. But technology is going to come, you can't avoid it. And if your adversary is using it, you have to adopt it. And you have to adopt it at a level which is higher than your adversaries. So the issues of reliability, trust, security, vulnerabilities, whether autonomy and humans can be addressed. These challenges are there. And go to the next slide, please. And of course, if you have challenges, you have solutions. Next slide, please. Yeah. So clearly define your ethical standards, and people are working all across the world. You can put that human in the loop. I don't see today anywhere in the world AI in defense forces used as alone. There's always human in the loop, even in US, right? So they'll be there. Robust testing and validation systems have to be put in place, which can be done by the government, different agencies. Cybersecurity measures. Cybersecurity is a big challenge everywhere. With AI coming in fact, you can protect yourself better with AI. There'll be adversaries using AI for attack also, but if you have AI on your side, you can have a better defensive this thing. Transparency and traceability needs to be there so that you can have record who's using it, how is it being used, and international collaboration in this space is the key. You can't develop on your own all the systems and processes or technology. You need a collaboration with your friendly countries to move ahead. Next slide, please. What, as Mahindra Defence, we are doing it. We are partnered with a US company. It's Enroll. So they are doing a lot of stuff in autonomy area, both in air, underwater, and on ground. So we are bringing some of the best technologies in the data fusion systems in autonomy to India, primarily in two domains. First, in anti-drone space, where counter drones, because we want to focus on the defensive technology, and second, in underwater space. So these are the 2-3 areas where we are focusing on. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.